In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build sales pipeline in Brevo. A sales pipeline in Brevo helps you organize your deals into clear stages so you can track progress and keep your sales process consistent. Once your pipeline is set up, you and your team can move deals from one stage to the next as they advance, which makes it easier to see what is coming up and what needs attention. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Brevo account and you are on the main dashboard. From the left side navigation menu, click on CRM. This is where Brevo keeps your contact and sales management tools. After you open CRM, look for the Sales section and select Deals. The Deals area is where you will manage opportunities, and it is also where your pipelines live. Next, find and click on Pipeline Settings. This section controls how your deal boards are structured, including the pipelines you use and the stages inside them. Opening settings first is important because it ensures you are creating the pipeline in the correct place, rather than trying to adjust things from an individual deal view. Once you are in Pipeline Settings, click Create a Pipeline. This tells Brevo you want to add a brand new pipeline, which is useful if you run different sales processes for different products, services, or teams. For example, you might want one pipeline for inbound leads and another for renewals. In this walkthrough, you are simply creating the pipeline itself. Now enter a name for your pipeline. Choose a name that is clear and specific, because it will be visible anywhere you view or filter deals. A good name usually reflects the process it represents, such as the type of sales motion or the team using it. Take a moment to double-check spelling and clarity, especially if multiple people will be working inside the same account. When you are ready, click Create. Brevo will add the new pipeline to your account, and it will be available for organizing deals going forward. After it is created, you can return to the Deals area to start using it as part of your sales workflow. And that covers everything you need to know.